I know some of the people that are watching, are pretty geeky, and they'll read something or they'll see
I
something, right, and they'll see something on television, and they'll actually go to the study. How could they tell if the study is really kind of funded from corporations that's kind of trying to sway your opinion and may not be exactly like sugar is good for you, done by the soda industry? How could we tell?
Right. So one thing I would say about research in general is that I think we have a tendency to say if it's sponsored by industry, it's bad, right? Like it's tainted. But the truth is that industry funds a lot of research in universities. If you think of all the science that needs to be done and all the scientists who are out there, the idea that everyone is going to receive their funding from the government, or that government funded research isn't also kind of agenda based, I think is a mistake. So I think what you have to do if you're looking at research, absolutely go and look at the funding source and think about the conclusions in the context of the funding source. So yeah, if it's, sugar is great funded by the soda industry, okay, that feels a little motivated to me. But one thing that industry is good at funding is research on effectiveness, right? So not, is this product good compared to nothing? Is this product good compared to this one? And those sorts of studies I think are really useful, actually. So I think becoming a good consumer of nutrition science requires a lot of patience and a lot of the ability to step back and say, does that sound right to me? I mean, does that, why might that have been found, right? It takes a lot of really, really critical, of really critical look. And I think that what we read in the news very often is, sort of a cool clickbait headline, like, eat this one thing and you'll avoid Alzheimer's disease. And everyone's going, well, sweet. But if that were true, then everybody would just do it and there would be no more Alzheimer's disease, right?
Right.
So when you see sensationalism, it's probably sensationalism.